Boom! What's up? Trainer Alex here, back with some more Pokemon card opening action. Today, we're opening Detective Pikachu Cafe Figure Collection. I've been looking for this for a while, been trying to pick up a couple of them, and I finally found it for $19.99 at the local Target. I'm going to be opening this one. There's what's included. We got 4 Detective Pikachu packs, 2 regular TCG packs, hopefully in the Sun and Moon era, and of course the figure and the promo. There's that SKU if you want to go to Target and ask them about it. Alright, let's open it up. I've been trying to find this promo for a while. Alright, as you can see, there was no prongs holding this promo in. I really like that. It just kind of popped right out. The prongs were holding this little piece of plastic, which was holding the promo. Very excellent way of doing things, Pokemon. Here is the code for this promo. Let me know if you guys claim this code. Really appreciate you watching the videos. I've been trying to get my hands on this promo for a very long time. SM170. It's going to go directly into the sleeve. And as you can see, we got our 4 packs. Oh, alright. As you can see, we got our 4 packs, and we also got our very cute Detective Pikachu figure. It's a really nice figure, has a really nice stand. He's going to go over here and watch us. Like I said, 4 packs. And we got Sun and Moon base set. Interesting. And Burning Shadows. Let's get this base set pack out of here first. There it is. Wishy-Washy, Herdier, Lowland Persian, Sandygas, Caterpie, Skarmory, Morlul, Chimchu, Sandile, Reverse Hollow, and Palisand for our regular rare. Alright, this is actually going to be, I guess, the search for Charizard, as Charizard in the set 5-18 is the last card I need to complete this Detective Pikachu set. So we got Morlul, Bulbasaur, Jigglypuff, and Arcanine. There's that Detective Pikachu code for you. Charmander, Bulbasaur, Lickitung, and Ludicolo as our rare. We got 2 more shots with this box, and then we can have to rely on our other product to pull the Charizard Machamp. Alright, I think this will come in handy for completing my double set. I guess this isn't our last shot for the Charizard because they got that Burning Shadows pack right there. Now he's got a Charizard in that pack. Ditto. Pulled a lot of these Dittos. Alright, so the Charizard that we need to complete the set is not in this box. It'll have to be in the next product. The next Detective Pikachu product that we open. Let's get this Burning Shadows pack open. Escape Room, Sophocles, Ribombee, Mudbray, Ladybug, Hoot Hoot, Alolan Vulpix, Ralts, Lunatone is our reverse holo, and Persian for our regular rare. I guess the Ditto is our super big pull from this box, included in with our promo. Gotta love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, consider giving it a like. If not, a dislike. Any feedback, I really appreciate it. See you guys in the next video.